Tips for keeping chicken moist during cooking.
Are you tired of dry, overcooked chicken? In this video, we'll be sharing some expert tips for keeping your chicken moist during cooking. Let's dive in.
Why does chicken dry out?
Understanding the reason behind dry chicken will help you better grasp the techniques to prevent it. Chicken dries out when it's overcooked, causing the proteins to contract and squeeze out the moisture.
How can I choose the right cut of chicken?
Choosing the right cut is essential for a juicy chicken dish. Generally, dark meat, thighs and legs, retains moisture better than white meat, breasts. However, if you prefer white meat, opt for bone-in, skin-on cuts to help lock in the moisture.
What's the best way to marinate chicken?
Marinating chicken not only adds flavor but can also help to keep it moist during cooking. Use an acidic base like lemon juice or vinegar, and mix in oil and your favorite seasonings. Allow the chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes and up to 24 hours in the refrigerator for maximum results.
Can brining help?
Absolutely. Brining is a great technique for keeping chicken moist. Submerge the chicken in a solution of water, salt, and sugar for a few hours before cooking. The salt in the brine allows the chicken to retain moisture, leading to a juicier end result.
What about cooking methods?
Different cooking methods can impact the moisture level of your chicken. Some methods to consider for moist chicken are baking at a lower temperature for a longer time, roasting with a pan of water underneath to create steam, poaching or simmering the chicken in a flavorful liquid, grilling over indirect heat to avoid drying out.
How can I ensure my chicken is cooked properly?
To prevent overcooking and dry chicken, use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. Chicken is safe to eat when it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Remove it from the heat source when it's close to this temperature, as it will continue to cook for a few minutes due to residual heat. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to enjoying moist, flavorful chicken dishes. Remember to choose the right cut, marinate or brine, and use proper cooking techniques to ensure juicy, tender chicken every time. Enjoy!